Today, Zakeke guaranteed to us to have a very beautiful quality of 3D visualization. And this is help us to solve our pain. So first of all, to make the consumer conscious of what is buying. That's the most important, and to let him appreciate the details and the characteristic of the shoe. And in particular, we can be with the solution more sustainable because we avoid to produce a lot of samples, a lot of shoes. We put in production only what the customer designed for him, and we have 100% of sellout. So these aspects are very important and very positive for our business.
Hello and welcome back to the video testimonials of Zakeke. Today we are really pleased and honored to have Francesco of Design Italian Shoes with us, and he will share his amazing story and the backgrounds and of course the amazing results they're having using our solution. Thank you very much for being today with us, Francesco.
Thank you very much. And I'm Francesco Carpinetti. I'm co-founder and CEO of DIS, Design Italian Shoes. It's a G-local company, so we are based in Italy, where there is one of the most famous districts of the shoe production. So this is the why nearly 8 years ago, we would like to create something different with DIS. So we would like to create the fastest MTO shoe service in the world. And so this is the reason why we try to find a way to bring more technology inside the sector. And we think to develop a new way to approach the market. Our region is full of artisans, and we are happy to promote this work and to bring all around the world the expertise of this artisan, make a brand with a customer-centric approach. So today, our customer can go on the DIS website or in one of our stores and create shoes of their dream through a 3D configurator that we made thanks to Zakeke.
So thank you for the details and the explanation. So what was really the trigger to implement a visual commerce solution in order to bring this new exciting experience for a bespoke product like a luxury shoes?
Yeah, exactly. So we work in the luxury market. So for us, it's very important to arrive directly to the other face of the screen with a very high quality of visualization of the product. Today, Zakeke guaranteed to us to have a very beautiful quality of 3D visualization. And this is help us to solve our pain. So first of all, to make the consumer conscious of what is buying. That's the most important, and to let him appreciate the details and the characteristic of the shoe. And in particular, we can be with the solution more sustainable because we avoid to produce a lot of samples, a lot of shoes. We put in production only what the customer designed for him. And I think that is a great value for any company, be more sustainable today with all the activities that are impacting a lot on the global environment. And in particular is a very positive business model because in this case, we don't need to stock a lot of shoes, but we are going to put in production the shoes only when customer need in order with this system. And we have 100% of sellout. So these aspects are very important and very positive for our business and for sustainability in general of any company. So I think that this is the main focus that we can solve with this solution.
Thank you, Francesco. Tell us about what features of Zakeke were most appealing to you and to your company?
Okay, concerning about features, there are a lot of features that I can mention in Zakeke. But honestly, what I like more is the possibility to set the camera angles, so the configurator can rotate and give to customer the best view possible for this specific part of the shoe. So I can see the bottom of the sole, for instance, when I go to customize the sole, or I can see the back of the shoes when I'm going to customize this part. So this is, for me, is a very high value in terms of conversion, because the customer can explore and interact much more better than before with the 3D configurator, and because it's dynamic and it's really immersive like experience. And from the other side, from the production side, I think that it's very important even to have rules and create particular rules to avoid, for instance, to configure some specific material on some specific part, because there is some problems to realize in production. I can make you some examples. So with Zakeke, we can avoid that some materials can be visualized or used in a part of the product where we can put physically for technical reasons. So this is very helpful for the production process, and we avoid order cancellation or to have problems during the manufacturing of the shoes. And another one, I think that is the possibility to donate different prices according to different accessories or different kind of leather or materials that you have to use on the shoes, because this is help us not only to give right value to a product that is custom made, but even to give the right value in case the customer would like to choose a very luxury material or a very expensive material and put it on the shoe.
Perfect. Thank you. Can you share like the implementation process? What was like for you guys? Was it easy to start with Zakeke? Was it a little bit hard? Did it take longer than expected? What how was the process in order to start implementing the solution and then give up to the audience, your audience, this big implement like this big solution for a 3D configuration of the shoe?
Yeah, honestly, I can tell you that, as you can imagine, we are very complex, because we need to deliver the shoes in just 10 days from the order, and we give the order in production soon after the customer place the order inside the system. So we have a very complex infrastructure internally, but I can tell you that with Zakeke, we find this process very easy. E-commerce is based on Shopify, so thanks to the plugin that Zakeke developed for Shopify, the implementation was really smooth. So all the characteristics of the product that for us are very important to produce the real shoes are easily connected to the order and transferred to the production plant. So we are very happy about the easy implementation that's and the compatibility that plugin of Zakeke can guarantee with Shopify and with our production plant and with the whole infrastructure that we have to manage, considering that we have also stores that are placing order using the same tools.
Thank you. Finally, what is the single biggest reason you would recommend Zakeke?
Okay, so I have a single reason is difficult, but I will try to do. I think that is the flexibility of the tool, if I have to choose one, because it's a tool that is really complete and really is really flexible, is really deep into the rules and the option that you can choose, and you can create to have a better experience for your clients. So absolutely, I recommend to use Zakeke, because I think that is very complete and is very easy to use and to implement.
Thank you very much, Francesco, for sharing your time and your views and experience and backgrounds of your amazing company, amazing products with us today. Thank you very much. Grazie mille.
Thank you to everybody. And as I usually close my webinar and my video call, I would like to tell to all our friends a big ciao.
Ciao.